Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and switch accounts right there in your Discord. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your Discord, and as you can see, if you want to simply go ahead switch account, go ahead, tap on this profile icon below right corner, tap on it, and now you will swipe down and find this option of log out. So like other devices, you do not have an option of switch account. You will find that option if you log in your Discord right there on your desktop or your computer. Here in your mobile phone, you can only find a logout option. If you tap on this logout option, here you can simply go ahead log out from your existing account. You will get to the login page where you will enter your informations like your username, your passwords, and yeah, you will enter your information and you will get back to logged in with another account. So guys, this is the only option available right there in your mobile phone if you want to switch accounts. And if you're in a computer, you can simply go ahead and find switch account option right there. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.